Hey everybody, it's Joe at Synergy 17, and today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how I created this jersey that you just saw, um, and how I just created the background, basically. So I already had the sunburst effect right here, and there's actually two pieces. There's this piece, whoops, hold on. There's two pieces here, I think I have it grouped together. There's this one and there's a smaller version. So if I wireframe it, you can kind of see it's right here. There's this little piece right here. Anyways, they're both magenta. All I did was I chose the bigger part in the back and I went to transparency. I do a uniform transparency of about 40. You could make it lighter, you could make it so it's not as transparent, but anyways, 40 was perfect for me. So then I took these two pieces, grouped them together, Control G, so that they move together. And then I went and applied an effect, which is, I think it's the vignette here, right here. And you can make it circular, you can make it rectangular, ellipse, however you want. For this one I actually did an offset of 85. That's kind of how far the offset from the edge to the center. The fade is also how fast does it fade. So circular 85, 62, that's what I used, and that's what it looks like. So you take this, drop it here. I'll just choose a black and I'll center it. So hit C and centers it. And then I went there, typed up my name. For this one, I think I used Comic Boom's, or Boom Comic font here. What you want to do is I hit Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it. I gave it another color. For this example, I will do, I don't know, I'll just do something else. I'll do orange or something. And then I wanted to offset a little bit, so you can pick it up and move it as much as you want. Highlight both, convert it to curves, and then I highlight it again, and I used, basically it creates a boundary around it. So if I pull this away, you'll see there's a little boundary. Control Z to put it back. So from the boundary, I want to make a contour around it. So I'm going to do a contour to the outside. As you can see that, you can change how big, how much you want it to contour. It's good enough for me. And then I'm going to right click and break the contour apart. So now I have the contour here. And then the outline that I created is still there. It's right here. I'm going to delete that because I don't need it. This, I don't need the outline. I'm going to fill it with white. Then I'm going to shift page down, move it to the back. And then I'm going to right click here and turn off that border. Highlight it all. Control G to group. And then put it there. And then basically did the same thing with the number 17. I put my number, copied it, offset it, convert to curves, create a boundary, did a contour of that boundary, made it white, turned off the outline, deleted the original boundary, grouped it. That's it. So it's not very difficult. That's how you do it. Hopefully that helps.